YouTube, Eric DIY with another awesome review for you. Today we're going to review the Trekology ALUFT Ultralight sleeping pad with air pump dry sack. Zach and I camped out last night on the front yard and we put the Trekology sleeping pads that we got through their paces. However, we're going to focus on the ultralight sleeping pad in this review. As you can see, it has a dry sack that Zach is holding right now, and that also serves as a bag which will inflate the sleeping pad as well. As we enter the tent, we have the ultralight sleeping pad already inflated on the side there, and as you can see, it's pretty big. It takes up the whole right side of this two-person backpacking tent. The ultralight sleeping pad itself is about 3 inches in padding, which is awesome to have. It's ultra lightweight. I actually like this one a lot. This is going to become my go-to ultralight sleeping pad. And it comes with a nice durable material. I never had any problems with it, and I slept on it for a couple hours last night as well as testing it out before then. It has a one-way ear valve that's plugged up right now. So a one-way ear valve so that when you inflate it, you can inflate it by mouth if you want to, but we're going to show you the dry sack inflation device in a second. And to deflate it, you just pull it out and you just get all the air out by rolling it up towards the open valve. As a bonus to this ultralight sleeping pad, you have this dry bag here, and on the end of it, it has a valve here where it will help you inflate the sleeping pad. At first I thought this was a little ridiculous because I was so used to just inflating it, but this is a big thick sleeping pad as I showed you, so it would take you a long time inflating it by yourself, blowing into it. So I actually found that this inflating dry bag made it better. It's not extra work. It takes actually less time to do it with the inflating bag than it does by mouth. So let's show you how it works. The first step is to put this port of the dry bag into the self-inflating portion of the sleeping pad, and we're just going to push it right in there, and it fits in there like so. The next step, you're just going to catch some air in the bag, quickly roll it up, and that's how it's going to inflate the sleeping pad. And you keep doing that for a couple minutes, and you'll have a 3-inch thick sleeping pad. Look how much air I got. And then we just roll it into the sleeping pad. So we're going to continue doing this. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes of that. And that's it, it's fully inflated. And then you just close the valve, make sure everything's locked in there, nothing's gonna escape. And you're good to go. You just flip it over and fit it into the backpacking tent. This, again, is a huge sleeping pad. So if you're tall, I'm not tall at all, I'm only 5'3½", but if you are, this sleeping pad could definitely work for you. I found this sleeping pad to be extremely comfortable last night when I slept on it. And we have Zach currently enjoying it now. How are you feeling on it?
Good.
Is it really comfortable? It's really nice, huh? And it's huge. I mean, you could fit almost 2 Zachs on this sleeping pad. The great thing about having this sleeping pad is not just the sleeping pad itself, but also the fact that you get this dry bag to use to store stuff in after you have the sleeping pad out. And it comes that really tiny small bag to pack it in. I'm gonna pack it all up into that one bag. Now you can see that it packs down to this small size. I am a big fan of that. This is easier to fit than any other sleeping pad I've ever used into my backpacking backpack. So you can't beat this. And it's 3 inches when inflated. So once again, this is gonna be my go-to sleeping pad from now on. It is huge, it fits down in a compact size, it's very lightweight, it's just awesome. Trekology, once again, you show me that your products are awesome. If you'd like to pick up your Trekology ALUFT Ultralight sleeping pad, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button. Also, push on the bell notification icon so that way you can be notified when we release new reviews and new do-it-yourself videos. And as always, have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.